Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Spoken English Class 4. In our last class, we learned daily using English sentences part 1. Today, we will learn daily use English sentences part 2. These sentences are very useful in our daily conversation. Please watch till the end and repeat after me. Let's begin. Listen carefully and repeat after me. How is everything? Everything is fine. What do we want? I want to learn English. What happened? Repeat again. How is everything? Everything is fine. What do you want? I want to learn English. How it happened? Very good. We use these sentences every day. I am busy now. I am free now. I am late today. Please be on time. Please be on time. Let's start the work. Repeat slowly with me. I am busy now. I am free now. I am late today. Please be on time. Let's start the work. Excellent. Some very useful sentences. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Say it again, please. Practice loudly. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Say it again, please. This will improve your confidence. These sentences are very important. May I come in? May I go out? Please wait here. That's a good idea. No problem. Repeat after me again. May I come in? May I go out? Please wait here. That's a good idea. No problem. Great job. Now let's practice a small conversation. Person A. What are you doing? Person B. I am learning English. Person A. Do you understand? Person B. Yes, I understand. Person A. Can you repeat, please? Person B. Yes, of course. Pause the video and practice this conversation. So friend, today we learned daily use English sentences part 2, asking and answering sentences, polite and permission sentences, speaking practice. This was a Spoken English Class 4. In the next video, a Spoken English Class 5, we will learn making simple English sentences. If you like this video, please like the video, share it with your friend, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Practice every day and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.